Is there a way to move a column in between existing columns with drag and drop? In Excel 2010, I want to move a column with some data to be in between two existing columns which also have data. However, a simple drag and drop of the column will just prompt me to replace the data of whichever column is closest to the drop. Is there a keyboard shortcut or other equally efficient method that will allow me to perform a fairly simple drag and drop to in between columns?
Hold Shift and the shaded border you see when moving the selected column will change to a shaded line between two destination columns. When you release your mouse, the column will move to where the shaded line was.
I'm using Office 2010. The only way I've been able to move a column is to insert a new column where I want to move to, cut the column I want to move, inserting it into the new column. For some reason the above does not work for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is what worked.
I'm using Excel 2010. The only way I've been able to move a column is to insert a new column where I want to move to. Right-click on column you want to move. Select Entire Column. Drag left-right side of column to new location. New column remains. I have been able to move several columns at once. The procedure is yet explained, but not in the exact way. First, press over the column name to have it selected. Second, while pressing Shift, move the mouse pointer over the top left corner of the first cell, until it gets to a cross arrow symbol, like this URL, dot. Then, click and drag the column to its new position. That's all.